Group has been working with executive teams now for about 10 years, fairly extensively, as we've observed the nature of decision making at the top of organisations changing quite dramatically. So executive leaders, the success is no longer measured in terms of functional performance, but measured much more in terms of their capacity to bring a willingness to think right across the business, to think about change as it impacts the whole business and how decisions get executed across the whole business. So this has been an area of interest for us for many years. As we work with organisations going through transformation, we see the importance of this enterprise thinking more and more. And what we mean by that, enterprise thinking is really about thinking like a CEO, thinking about the whole business, thinking about changes in the marketplace and the need for the organisation to adapt to those changes, thinking beyond my own function to what the organisation really needs to do, and working as part of a team to make great decisions and execute them for the whole business. So this is becoming more and more important, and as we work with organisations going through change, we get to observe the challenge that executives face in making the transition from being a functional leader to a true enterprise leader. Sometimes the barrier to that journey, or what stands in the way, is about the situation they're operating in. So the pressure on individual executives to deliver operational and functional results is real, and they struggle with that. However, more often than not, the real barrier is self-image. It's how the individual leader sees himself or herself. A functional leader sees their knowledge, sees their value and what they bring in a highly technical space. They bring the knowledge about their function to the executive table. They see the value that they bring in leading the area that they're responsible for. Whereas an enterprise leader will actually seek to bring more than functional knowledge to the table, but actually their insights and their experience and wisdom across the whole organisation and within the sector. And a functional leader will actually struggle to think beyond the way we do things now because they're so buried in their function. A great enterprise leader will actually see how the market is changing and look for ways in which the organisation can and must adapt to meet those changes. So it's a tough journey. It's a journey that many executives that we work with are on. But I would make one observation. When executives actually make the journey, when they actually make the transition from functional leader to enterprise leader, they find that the impact that they're able to have on the organisation is far greater, and they find it truly satisfying.